Hello, Namaste. Myself is Suresh Chinchorkar. Today's topic is counseling and palmistry. In fact, the correlation between these two subjects or two topics is newly establishing. We can say we are fusing these two. And as you are aware of, nowadays fusing has got the more important because palmistry goes in the astrology pattern and counseling goes in psychology pattern. But the fusion is in that way for anything. Astrology and palmistry has to be there because it is connected with the mind. And behind every subject, behind every action, mind is important. If your mind is strong enough, you can get anything or you can become successful and happy in the life. So, even henceforth also, whenever my video will be there, in that astrology, palmistry, these subjects will be there because I take this subject as a base of whatever the topics on which I am going to talk. Now, as we know, counseling is the basic. From childhood to the end, one has to go under the counseling, directly or indirectly. So many times, unknowingly, you yourself can counsel or you can ask somebody to counsel you and to come out of the trouble. Life means it is full of trouble. The question arises how we can come out of the trouble. One, the thing is there, that is, suppose if the sickness is very severe, we can get admitted in the hospital. The medical treatment, you will undergo the medical treatment and you will be away from your trouble. But it is not so easy. It is expensive and it is time consuming and it creates a tension. The same work is done even in the counseling also. But counseling, no money. In the counseling, who requires? You require. Your confidence is required, your faith is required, and as we know, everybody is having the faith, confidence. But the question arises, why the man gets the trouble? Because he don't make use of this teaching. Whenever you are away from these things, so naturally you are going to be victim of the sickness or any type of the trouble. So counseling plays a very important role in the life of everybody. Now question arises, if it plays the important role, what about the palmistry? Are you going to discuss about the forecast or you are going to discuss about the lines and mounts? No, we are not going to do like that. Only we are going to take the help that what is, because the basic of the palmistry is to know thyself. If we know yourself, then the things becomes very easy. Any trouble you can solve very smoothly. And in the counseling, the main part is we have to awake you. Whatever the virtues you are having, we have to make the realization that don't scare, everything is with you, and that is the work of counseling. So mainly there are two main parts of the counseling. One is the self-counseling and one with the through the counselor. But out of that, I give importance to the self-counseling because your problem naturally you can able to solve it, and that is what the God who has created the human being, he has put certain things, the trouble also he can create and the solution also he can find out. So I give more emphasis, instead of going for the medical treatment, I emphasize that counseling is one of the best solution to come out of the trouble. Now, as I told you, the astrology is it helps to understand yourself. Now, let us take a simple case. Even everybody can check it. What I say, whether it is true or no. Make your hand like this. Now you know that the hand is divided into two parts. One is the palm and second is the finger. So this finger plays a very important role. Now let us see this finger. What I am going to do, I am going to pressurize this and I am pulling the fingers at the back side. But it becomes very difficult for me to take the finger back side. That means I am a person, very obstinate person. I am the person who is very rigid. I am the person who is traditional. I cannot accept the new changes so easily. So I don't like the company. I like to get involved with myself. These are the things I can easily from the hand, anybody can guess it. Now suppose if I pressurize more, then naturally my fingers are going back. So let us say the fingers are making angle 30 degrees with the palm. In that stage, your finger indicates that you can accept the new changes. You like the company of the people. You like to enjoy the society. These things are your virtues. But suppose if I pressurize more and my fingers are making angle 90 degrees with the palm, then I can say you are the person of sentiments. You are governed by sentiment. Instead of governing by head, you are getting governed by the sentiment. So your weakness is sentiment. And due to that, you invite the trouble. Due to that, there is a lack of confidence. Due to that, you are surrendered to the situation and all the troubles has started. So this is what your palm, your body, and this palmistry or astrology helps to know the person. Once the person is known, it becomes very easy for the counselor to treat. Otherwise, half of the time is used to know what type of the client is in front of me. So palmistry is very essential. Once you come to know the nature of a person with the help of palm, then it becomes very easy for the treatment. Nice of you to listen me, and again I am very much thankful to you. I would like to again request, that is, if you like my talk, if you want me that on different topics I can talk, then please make a like mark, or you can subscribe me. So that will be a great help to me, and it will be a great encouraging for me. Nice of you. Thank you.